the TATE bucket handle automatic making machine. When it comes to producing bucket handles, precision, efficiency, and reliability are key. TATE's bucket handle automatic making machine offers all of that and more. Designed with advanced hydraulic technology and integrated with a sophisticated CNC control system, this machine ensures the highest quality, consistency, and automation for your production needs. Versatility and precision. Our machine is built for versatility. It can produce various types of bucket handles, including external hooks, internal hooks, reverse hooks, and multi-shape combinations. Whether you're manufacturing standard handles or custom designs, TATE has the flexibility to meet your exact specifications. Fully automated production process. TATE's bucket handle making machine handles the entire production process with minimal human intervention. It starts with automated feeding, followed by straightening the wire to ensure a perfect foundation. The wire is then cut to the desired length, bent into shape, and the heading process begins. The machine then forms the hooks and automatically fits the rubber grip onto the handle. Finally, the machine automatically unloads the finished product, ready for packaging or further processing. Hydraulic power meets CNC precision. The hydraulic design provides robust power and smooth operation, while the CNC control system ensures the highest level of precision in every cycle. This combination results in uniform, high-quality handles every time, even during high-volume production. High customization. TATE offers multiple machine models to meet the unique needs of your business. Whether you need external, internal, or reverse hooks, or even a combination of different handle types, we have a solution tailored for you. Each machine is customizable to ensure it fits seamlessly into your existing production line. Efficiency and cost savings. By automating the entire production process, our machine reduces the need for manual labor, thus boosting efficiency and reducing costs. The high-speed operation of the machine helps you increase output while maintaining the quality of every handle produced. This results in significant time and cost savings, making your production line more competitive. Built for durability and reliability. Constructed with the highest quality materials, TATE's machine is designed for durability. It can withstand heavy-duty use day after day, delivering reliable performance over the long term. You can count on TATE to keep your production running smoothly and efficiently, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Quality control you can trust. Each handle produced by our machine is crafted to the highest standards. From precise cutting to perfectly formed hooks and securely fitted rubber grips, every step of the process is carefully controlled to ensure you receive only the best product. TATE's bucket handle automatic making machine guarantees top-notch quality every time. And take your production to the next level. If you're looking to improve the efficiency, quality, and reliability of your bucket handle production, look no further than TATE. Our machine is the key to boosting your output while maintaining the highest level of quality. Contact us today to find out how we can help you. info@tatebend.com. TATE, the reliable choice for high-quality, automated bucket handle production.